Bookkeeping and Accountancy, Standard 12th. Chapter number 10, Computer in Accounting. Today we are going to learn about importance of computerized accounting system. Computerized accounting systems are software programs which help to store data or information in the accounting system. Point number 1, automation. Automation means when most or all the machine or process run with little or no human control to perform work without the assistance of people. It is called as automation. All the calculations are automatically done by the accounting software with minimum time as compared to manual accounting calculation. Number 2, multi-user facilities. Multi-user facility enables the businessman access accounting information online or offline with more user controls outside of the office or within the office. In big business houses, this facility is useful as data entry can be done by many operators on different computers simultaneously. Third point, accuracy. Computerized accounting software is more accurate as compared to human being. A firm prepares various reports and statements with the help of computerized accounting system. Fourth point, speed. Computerized accounting software work faster than manual accounting process as it is connected via computer network server or remote access device with internet. Next one, reduction in cost. As the financial records are to be entered only once in the system, the accountants will save his time in maintaining the records. This will enable the business organization to employ few accounting personnel. Next one, systematic and up-to-date record. Computerized accounting system ensures systematic and up-to-date financial records of the business organization. Computerized accounting system generates real-time information for quick decision. Next point, huge storage capacity. In computerized accounting system, one computer software can store the accounting records for many years. Next one, compact. The financial information can be stored on the hard disk and if required backup and then can be taken on external storage devices which requires very little space. Next one, transferability or sharing information. The information can be stored with the help of printouts or can also be shared with soft copy, that is through pen drive or internet transfer. So these are the importance of computerized accounting system. Thank you.